It's the ultimate travel guide from the people who know it best. Weekends with Yankee. We continue south to make a holiday visit to the island of Nantucket and meet Hafsa Lewis. Hafsa's large-scale floral installations have become a part of the community's aesthetic. The island has inspired her creations, and we get an insider's look at her most celebrated work.
We help businesses stand out by using flowers, so we create large-scale floral installations to really help brands tell their story through flowers. Flowers speak sort of a universal language. They express remorse and signify joy and happiness all at the same time without saying a word. I wanted my work to make people feel something, and the only way that I thought I could achieve that is if it were big. So that's how installations started. The story of the Brand Point wreath, the tradition was started in 1997 by Master Chief Jack Downey. He went out to sconce it, he foraged a bunch of grapevine and he wove it into a wreath, and he secured it with some rope and he threw some silk flowers on it and he hung it on the lighthouse. When I was approached to help with the wreath, it was by one of the Coast Guard wives several years ago, and she asked if I had any interest in helping, them put flowers on the wreath. I was like, yes, of course. To see my design on something that big that so many people can enjoy, people get engaged in front of that and take their family portraits, and people that visit, they round the Brand Point Bend and they're taking photos from the boat. It's really special. It's a really special tradition. I don't know many places that have something like that, so to be a part of that has just been such an honor. I think that Nantucket is naturally inspiring just because it's such a creative place. There's so many people to bounce ideas off of. Being surrounded, by the ocean, definitely being immersed in nature. And there are a lot of female entrepreneurs here and people who are I'm witnessing, create their own niches, their own businesses. They're doing the things that they love. They're doing the things that they're passionate about. I hope that when people see any of my work, it makes them feel something good. I hope it transports them to a memory or evokes an emotion. For me, it's just really important that it makes them feel something.